Hello everyone, summer is almost here, so it's time to make some light and refreshing dessert. So today I'm gonna show how you can make easy melon dessert with green Lovage oil. So let's do it! For this recipe I'm gonna use two kinds of melon, cantaloupe and Gallia melon. And the first thing I have to do is to peel them. I'm using peeler, but you can also use a knife. Cantaloupe melon I cut into thick slices and remove the seeds with a spoon. And for the Gallia melon, I will use melon baller and make nice balls. And of course, one piece of the melon have to go to my food inspector because he just loves melons. And now let's make some poaching liquid, because my plan is to poach them in sous vide so they get a bit softer and pick up a bonus taste. So I make two variations. One will be water, sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice and cinnamon. And second one will be water, sugar, lime zest, lime juice and star anise. You can play with the ratio of the water and sugar. For now, I'm using 2 parts of water and 1 part of sugar. So I vacuum seal them and I'm gonna cook them at 70 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. So the melons are cooking and now we can start with the strawberry gel. I'm using frozen strawberries because I didn't find a fresh one today in the shop, but you can also use fresh strawberries or even strawberry juice. So I mix them with a bit of water and sugar in the blender and blitz them for a few minutes. You can also add again some citrus juices or spices, but I'm not gonna do it because the melon has plenty of them already. I strain it through the chinois and taste if I need a bit more sugar, which I need. And let's make the gel. I just bring it to the boil and mix it with the agar. I'm doing 600 ml of liquid, so I put 6 grams of agar in. I cook it for a few minutes and leave it in the fridge to set. And the last thing I want to use for my garnish is green Lovage oil. So I pick leaves of the Lovage and put them in the blender. My Lovage gets frozen overnight in the fridge for some reason, so it's not in the best condition, but it should work. Then I get my vegetable oil and bring it to the 80 degrees Celsius. And I blitz all together on maximum speed for a few minutes. Don't ask me for the amounts of Lovage, because there is no right amount. More Lovage you use, more color and taste you get. So it's up to you. And the last step is to strain it slowly through the cloth, and I put it in the fridge to cool down. At this time are my melons cooked, so I take them out from the hot water and I transfer them to the cold water to cool down. And in 30 minutes is the green oil also cold, so I transfer it to the plastic bottle and it will be ready for the plating. I think it is success. The great color and the smell is even better. The gel is also cold, so I just cut it roughly with the knife. Transfer it into the blender and blitz it until the gel will be nice and smooth. If you feel like the gel is too thick, you can put splash of water. Then I strain it with the chinois, so I make sure there are no lumps, and the gel is ready for the plating as well. And the last thing I have to do before plating is to portion the melons. The balls are ready to go, so I just put them on the tray. And the second melon I cut into two variations. One will be nice thin slices and the second one will be thicker pieces. So as you can guess, I will do two platings today. The second one you can watch with my other bonus content on my Patreon page. Check out the link in description down below. And let's do finally the plating. I start with my cantaloupe melon slices, poached with lime and cinnamon. Then few balls of Gallia melon, poached with lemon and star anise. Few dots of my strawberry gel. Super green Lovage oil. And I finish it with few leaves of lemon balm. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you would like to take a massive shortcut with your skills and learn finally cooking from me personally, apply for my one-on-one coaching on my website and we can work it out together. And if you would like to get another inspiration for melons, check out this video and learn how you can make this beautiful dessert with melon sorbet, melon pudding and almond crumble. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.